Hello and a warm welcome. This is Mr. T presenting you a lesson on mixed activities under algebraic expressions grade 10. Let's look at the first question. Fully factorize each of the following. Part A, you are given ax squared minus bx squared minus a plus b. Because you're having four terms, you can factorize through grouping the first two terms and the last two terms. In the first two terms, you're having a common factor of x squared. So if I take out x squared, I'll get x squared a minus b. In the last two terms, I can take out negative 1, resulting in a minus b. Now that I've got these two terms, the common factor is a minus b, and in the other bracket, I'll get x squared minus 1. But that x squared minus 1 is actually a difference of two squares, so I can further factorize it into a minus b multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. We move on to part B. In part B, the only thing that you need to recognize is that the terms within the brackets look almost the same, the only difference being the signs. That means I have to enforce a sign change. So I'm going to have 2x multiplied by 3a minus b plus 3y, 3a minus b. Then I can factorize it into 3a minus b multiplied by 2x plus 3y, making up the second factor. We move on to part C. In part C, you're going to factorize it, and that's going to give you 9x to the power 2 minus 4 as the first factor, and the second factor will be x cubed minus 1. Again, immediately recognize that there's a difference of two squares, there's a difference of two cubes. So from the difference of two squares, you're going to get 3x plus 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2. From the difference of two cubes, you're going to get x minus 1 and x squared plus x plus 1, making up the fourth factor. We move on to the last question, where we're told that if x plus 3 over x is equals to 7, evaluate x squared plus 9 over x squared. So we start by rewriting the original expression. That's your x plus 3 over x, which is equivalent to 7. The basis of simplifying or evaluating that question would be to try to link that original expression to that new expression. So the only way to do that is through squaring both sides. So if I do that, I'm going to have, and when I simplify that, I'm going to have x squared plus 3x over x plus another 3x over x plus 9 over x squared is equal to 49. Then if I simplify that, I will get x squared plus the x's cancel out, so it becomes x squared plus 6 plus 9 over x squared is equals to 49. I can then transpose the positive 6 to the right hand side, and I'll be left with x squared plus 9 over x squared is equal to 43 as my answer. Therefore, the value of that, to evaluate that or to fully answer it, the answer will be equal to 43. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Bye-bye.